Today we will show you how to install our EcoQuilt container kit. Start by making sure your container is clean and free from dust. This helps your battens stick securely to the surface. Apply the adhesive to your battens and build a timber framework. This framework creates a strong base to hold the multi-foil insulation firmly in place. The 25mm battens also create a small air cavity, allowing the insulation to reflect heat effectively and to perform at its best. Now roll out EcoQuilt and staple it directly onto the battens. Its advanced 6-layer foil design delivers exceptional thermal performance, reflecting heat in the summer and retaining warmth in the winter. That means your container stays comfortable, efficient and usable all year round. EcoQuilt offers the same thermal performance as 100mm of wool insulation or 50mm of PIR insulation, but it's much thinner, lighter and easier to install. Perfect for both professionals and DIY projects. Once your walls are fully insulated, use the Thermoseal foil joining tape included in the kit. Tape and seal every joint to create a complete vapor control layer. By eliminating moisture buildup, it extends the life of your container and provides a comfortable, dry space. You can now move on to the roof, following the exact same process. Roll out the insulation, staple it securely, and seal all joints for consistent moisture protection throughout. Next, add secondary battens over the insulation. This locks EcoQuilt neatly in place and creates a second air cavity, boosting efficiency even further. Finally, board over the insulation to complete your build. This step protects the insulation, adds structural strength, and gives your space a clean, professional finish. We recommend boarding the ceiling first, as the wall boards will provide extra rigidity once installed. The container shown here is 14 foot long, but we manufacture EcoQuilt insulation kits in-house. We can provide sizes for 10 foot, 20 foot and 40 foot containers, or even custom kits to fit your exact dimensions. With EcoQuilt, converting your container is simple, fast and energy efficient. You'll create a dry, comfortable, insulated space that's ready to use all year round, whether it's for work, leisure or storage. EcoQuilt, superior insulation made easy.